Hello, my nickname is Lit and this is my unboxing of the Gigabyte Aorus X470 Ultra Gaming AMD Ryzen motherboard with AM4 socket. This will be a short video, just a quick unboxing. Here you have the front side of the box, the rear side of the box with the specifications and other material, the sides, it's a full-size ATX motherboard. Here you can see it. Here is the board. And let's see what else is inside. We have two SATA data cables, one, I don't know, thermal probe or something. Yeah, looks like a probe of a sort. Another two SATA cables. This is an adapter, RGB header adapter. The rear I/O shield, interesting black. A standoff for something. A G connector that's used to easier connecting of the front I/O. One tiny little screw, that's an M.2 slot screw, and then Aorus badge. Install guide, user guide with the CD with the old drivers. Never use the CD, always download the latest drivers online. And some installation guides also. That's everything that comes in the box. Let's see how the motherboard looks like. And here is the motherboard. It has 4+1 power phases. They look like doubled, but they really aren't. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 13. That's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1. AM4 socket, as I already said. 4 RAM slots. It has, let's start with the I/O. The sound system is a Realtek 1220. Features an Intel LAN port, USB Type 3 and Type 3.1 connections, even a Type 3.1 C connector. Also it has RGB support, special capacitors for the audio, 6 SATA ports, 2 PCI Express strengthened ports and 1 full-size PCI Express port, 2 short PCI Express ports, and 2 M.2 ports. One even comes with a shield. That's everything from this unboxing. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see us another time. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, visit Gaming Tribe, find me there, and bye.